there is a decline to 32 in year of this and 129 in 1971. So in the last 10 years, IMR declined, means infant mortality rate declined about 35% in rural areas and about 32% in urban areas. So Madhya Pradesh has the highest infant mortality rate at 48 and Nagaland has the lowest at 4. So we have to learn this thing that मध्य प्रदेश में सबसे ज़्यादा infant mortality rate है and Nagaland में there is the lowest at 4 only. So what is the neonatal mortality rate? So neonatal mortality rate, that is probability of dying with birth between in 40 days of age, for 28 days, मतलब within a month कितने बच्चों की डेथ हो जाती है. So there is a decline of 57% to 22, 57 to 22. So there is a number they have given. Okay, what is the maternal mortality rate? So number of maternal death per lakh live birth. As per WHO, maternal death is the death of the woman while pregnant within 42 days of termination of pregnancy. Means they cover maternal death even after having birth of the child and also within 42 days of the termination of the pregnancy. So there is a decline of 113 in 2008 from 112 in 2015 and 16. So what is basically they said about this, that there is a decline, and also maternal mortality rate state in Assam it is 215 lowest, and maternal mortality rate in Kerala it is lowest and highest is in the Assam. Okay, so what is adolescent? Means 10 years age with between 10 to 19 years. So probability of dying between 10 to 19 years of age expressed per 1000 child age 2, adolescent mortality has declined by nearly 14% since 1990. So adolescent mortality is also declined by 40%. And what is the birth rate here? So birth rate is number of live birth per 1000 of population per year. So per 1000 of population per year there is a birth rate. What is the situation here? That there is a decline. So basically in each of the point we are here seeing the decline. We don't have to accurate with the number, it's just for the data we could mention in our exam. So decline of 36% in this and 20% in this. Rural urban differential has also narrowed here. However, birth rate has continued to be higher in rural areas. Bihar has the highest birth rate at 26.2%, and Andaman Nicobar Island has a lower birth rate of 11.2% here. So decline of 62% death rate as number of death per 1000. So death rate क्या होता है इसमें? Decline of 6.2% in 2018, and also from this means what they wants to say here is that there is a decline. पहले 14% and now it is 6.2%. And also Chhattisgarh has the highest death rate at 8, and Delhi has the lowest death rate. Delhi has a death rate of 3.3%. So what is the sex ratio at birth? Number of male per birth, female accordingly. So here we have a data. Data says that in 2005 to 7 there is a male birth per 10,000 female. So यहाँ पे 0 husband 0 male are increased, and also there is an increment of 112, means there is an increase. Little bit data is differ in some situation, but it's never been the lower, means it is always the 10% higher as per the females. So what is the total fertility number of child born or likely to be born a woman? So total number of children born or likely to be born to a woman in her lifetime. So total fertility rate is of about 2.1% children per women is called replacement level fertility, and total fertility rate lower than RFL leads to a decline in a country's population. So there is a reduction of from 3.6% in 1991 to 2.2% in 2018. So what is the institutional delivery here? It refers to the childbirth takes place a medical facility that are equipped with technology and also under provision of skilled birth attendants. So here we could see that over the past 2 decades, proportion of women delivering a child in a hospital or a health care institution increased by nearly 73% in rural India and 37% in points in urban India. Safe motherhood assurance. Now we have a SUMAN, that is safe motherhood assurance. So we read in this article is that recently Ministry of Health and Family Welfare highlight the importance of SUMAN at the partnership. Health Ministry is under the Harshvardhan. Importance of SUMAN and partnership for maternal, newborn and child health accountability breakfast event. So what is the concept here? Said about the SUMAN, it is an initiative Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for zero preventable maternal and newborn death. So it is the basically initiative has taken by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for zero preventable maternal and newborn deaths. Means there has to be a zero death in case of a maternity. So under the scheme, free healthcare benefits are provided to pregnant women. Means pregnant women have to provide a free healthcare benefit, and mother up to 6 months after delivery and all sick newborns. So what are the facilities they are going to provide here? That under this scheme, free healthcare benefits they are providing to pregnant women, and also mother up to 6 months after delivery. After delivery also they gave a 6 months health benefits, and also all sick newborns. Means there is a child जिसे बचपन से ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, so उस child को भी they provide some free healthcare benefits initially from the very beginning. And other features of the schemes are zero expensive delivery. Means there has to be zero expense delivery, no expense has to be charged by the female. And C-section facility in case of a pregnancy complication. Also C-section provision has to be there, and also free transportation to pregnant women from home to health facility and back. Means there has to be a free transportation to the pregnant women from home to health facility. Zero tolerance for denial of service at public health facility. This provision is also included here. Service include at least 4 antenatal checkups. Means there has to be 4 antenatal checkups, and also include 1 checkup during first trimester, iron folic acid supplementation, also tetanus, deprived injections, etc. Means these are some technical terms. If we could write it, it's better. If you will not be able to remember it, then it's also fine that we have to provide some 4 natal checkups here. And also this partnership for maternal, newborn and child healthcare is the world largest alliance for women, child and adolescents health, bridging together over 10,000 partners organization across 192 countries. It basically enables partners to share strategies, align objectives and resources, and agree on interventions. The vice chairs of partnership for maternal, newborn and child health boards are Government of India and UK. So what is the relevant information related to this topic? That sample registration system. it is related to some kind of a pre-information that recently sample registration system bulletin was released. Sample registration system is a demographic survey for providing reliable annual estimate of IMR, infant mortality rate, birth rate, death rate, and other fertility and mortality indicators at the national and subnational levels. It was initiated on a pilot basis in 1964 and 1965 and became fully operational during 1969 and 1970. So, its sample registration system is conducted by Office of Registrar General and Census Commissioner under Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, so now we have a topic of women's education. It is quite lengthy topic. Once we start this topic, we can't stop. So I think we'll start with another video because there are a lot of things we need to discuss. Also, the protection of women. We'll do it.